Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the app environment. Close mobile legends and any overlays, then back up your APK/OBB or game data if you can. Once done, make sure Auto Update and Cloud Sync are disabled so the game won't fetch changes mid-process. You're doing this to isolate the avatar change from external triggers. Now confirm your device has developer access or file manager permissions, because you'll need them for the next step. You now perform the avatar swap. Open the game resource folder or user avatar path and replace the existing image with your new file that matches name, resolution, and format exactly. Make sure to set the replacement file to read-only so the game cannot overwrite it, then clear the game cache and temporary files. This prevents the engine from detecting a mismatch and forcing a restart. After that, restart only the game app, not the whole device. You finish by launching Mobile Legends and changing the avatar inside settings. Watch closely so you catch any automatic restart triggers. If the game still restarts, immediately restore the original file and retry with stricter matching of file name, pixel dimensions, and file format. Small mismatches trigger validation and a restart. Make sure file permissions remain read-only. The one key troubleshooting tip: always match the original file's name, resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.